Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add this number counter animation to your WordPress website. Now, in one of my previous videos, I had shown you how to create this from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, in this video, we will add this to our WordPress website. So let's get started. Alright, so here I have logged into my WordPress dashboard, and for running this WordPress website locally, I am using this application called Local by Flywheel. So you can just download this application and create a new WordPress website by clicking on this button, and then go ahead and start the website. And here I have logged into the WordPress website, and this is how it looks right now. And right now the theme that I'm using is called Astra. Alright, let's go ahead and add this design to a post. So you can go ahead to posts and click on add new post. Or if you want to add it inside a page, you can go over here to pages and click on add new page. I'll just add it inside a post. And here for the title, I'll just type our achievements. And here you have to add the code. Now what we need to do is we need to add custom code. So you can just type / and start typing custom HTML. And you'll find this block. So let's click on this. And here we have the option of adding HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. So let's go to our source code, and I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and copy this HTML from here. And we'll also copy this script tag. And let's paste it over here. And now let's paste the CSS. So let's create a style tag for that. And let's go back to our source code, and let's go to the style.css file, and let's copy the CSS of this stats container. So here we have the CSS of the rest of the content. We don't want that. We just want this CSS of this stats container. So let's copy from this line of code till the end, and let's paste it inside the style tag. And the next thing we need to do is we need to add the JavaScript. So let's go to the main.js file, and let's copy all this JavaScript from here, and let's scroll down and let's create a script tag, and let's add the JavaScript over here. And the last thing we need to do is we need to add the CSS of the odometer.js library. So let's scroll up and let's go to the index.html file, and if you scroll up here in the head section, we have this link of odometer theme default CSS. So let's copy this link from here, and let's paste it over here just before the style tag. And now if you go to the preview, here we can see that we have the animation working alright. So everything is looking alright. Alright, let's go back to the HTML, and you can make the changes you want over here. So I'll just go back to VS Code and I'll just show the changes over here. So here we have these three different stats. So the first one is subscribers. So if you go back over here to the design, here we can see it says subscribers. So you can change this text to whatever you want. And then we have videos and projects. So change all of this text to your needs. And you can also change the classes over here. So change this subscribers to whatever you want over here. And do the same for all these different stat divisions. And once you do that, you can go over here to the main.js file, and here you can add the value that you want to be displayed. So right now it is set to 29,800, which is the value that we get after we reload the page. So you can add the value over here in this create odometer function, which we created over here, and we are passing the element which we are getting from this HTML file. So in this way you can go ahead and add the class that you added over here in the HTML to this JavaScript code, and pass the element over here and also the value, and do the same for all these three different stats. And if you go to the style.css file, here we have the color. So you can change this background color to whatever you want. So once you make changes to this code, you can just paste the code over here inside this WordPress post. And once you have made all the changes you need, you can just go over here to publish and click on publish once again. And our post has been published. So let's click on view. And here we can see we have the animation running and everything is working alright. And this is also responsive. So if we decrease the width of the browser window, this is how it will look on smaller screens. So that's basically how you can add a custom number counter animation to your WordPress website. Now you can go ahead and add any content over here inside the post. So here, if you go just below the title, you can add any text you want over here. So I'll just type, "These are our achievements." And in the same way, you can add content below this HTML as well. So you can add this design into your existing posts as well. So I'll just update this. And if you go back over here, we can see that our paragraph is being displayed. So that's basically how you can add this custom numbers counter animation to your WordPress website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.